Let's bake some bread. Okay, so while the dough is resting, मैंने सोचा I'll share some of my favorite recent kitchen finds with you guys. So these are things that I bought recently, पिछले 1-2 महीने में, और जो मुझे लगता है are actually worth your money and that I'm really loving. So let's go. First thing on the list is this kitchen rod that a lot of people have asked me about. It's from IKEA and I think it's very functional and very aesthetic at the same time. I think it's a good piece to have in your kitchen, and it's not too expensive either. Second thing that I bought recently that I really like is this fruit basket. I love how pretty the color is. इसका size भी बहुत अच्छा है, इसका color भी बहुत अच्छा है, and it's very functional to keep your everyday fruits. My third favorite purchase are these double-walled tumblers. So these are really pretty, really aesthetic, very functional. Quantity भी काफी आ जाती है. You can use it for both hot and cold drinks, and it's insulated so it stays hotter or colder for longer time. The only drawback for me is कि ये बहुत delicate है because it's double walled and I am a very clumsy person, so I feel like it's like a ticking bomb in my hand. But you can check it out. It's from Amazon. I'll add all the links in the description for you guys. And my last recent purchase is my Moka pot. So I was थोड़ा skeptical कि ये मैं कितना ही use करूँगी once I get it, but I think इसको लिए हुए अभी 4-5 weeks हो गए and I've used it almost every other day. The coffee tastes delicious. It's such an upgrade from instant coffee and it's a really good beginner friendly tool. If आपको भी अपनी coffee खुद से brew करना start करना है, then this is a good tool to get started with. And yeah, that's it. I'll add all the links in the description for you guys. Now let's get back to the bread.